Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the hardware. Make sure your Barracuda has at least 20% battery and is powered off so the dongle can assert control. Insert the USB-C dongle into the host's USB-C port, seating it fully. If your computer lacks a USB-C port, use a quality active USB-C to adapter. Once the dongle is plugged in, wait for any host device recognition indicators or LED pulses on the dongle before moving to pairing. Next, power on the Barracuda and press and hold its pairing button until the LED shows the pairing flash pattern. This forces it into dongle discovery mode. The dongle should blink or change color to show it found the headset, then settle into a steady LED when paired. On some hosts, you may need to open audio device settings and pick Razer Barracuda as the input and output device. Make sure sample rates match. Mismatch can prevent audio. Once paired, test playback and mic. Finish by confirming input/output are routed to the Barracuda in your operating system and that microphone privacy permissions allow access. Make small adjustments to volume and mic gain so you don't clip. If audio is distorted or dropouts occur, install Razer Synapse or the firmware updater and run a firmware update. This often fixes codec and latency problems. If the headset never connects, reseat the dongle, restart both headset and host, then retry pairing. This simple power cycle resolves most handshake failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.